Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about writing the best titles. Let's get started. Content creators want to get their videos to reach more people and get more video views. Your video's title will give a quick explanation of what your video will contain. This will make people decide if they would be interested in watching your video content or not. It is important to optimize your video's title so that it will make your video easily searchable on Facebook. Craft a simple and straightforward title. You can craft your video title to show the purpose of your video. You can easily tell what your video is all about. Most of the time, people search for videos that are straightforward, like learning how to schedule Facebook posts. So the video is going to show people the steps on how to schedule their posts on Facebook. If it's a recipe video, you can write the name of the recipe. It's simple, but your audiences who are looking to find a recipe about this exact meal will be able to find your recipe and watch it. If it's a do-it-yourself video, you can write a title as Homemade Coffee Without a Machine. This video will attract coffee lovers who wants to learn how to make coffee at home even if they don't have a coffee machine. Next, use catchy titles. Catchy titles can grab your target audience's attention. Think of phrases that may cause your viewers to stop browsing their feed, take a second look at your video, and click on your video content. People want to be entertained as they watch videos, so crafting your title that will make them take a second look at your video content is the first step in optimizing your videos. This kind of title makes your audiences get intrigued by your title. It sparks curiosity, thinking what your video is about, thus making your videos watched and shared by more people. You can see in this video, they've used the title, "This Weird Computer Beat Our Fast PC at Half the Price." If you're a computer enthusiast, you'll be curious about this video content since you know that a fast PC can cost more. In this video, they are talking about a cheaper and weird computer that costs cheaper than their fastest PC. You'll be intrigued by this title, so you will click on this video and watch it. As you can see, this video generated 93,000 views. Let's take a look at another example. This title will tell you how you can spy on your competitor's Facebook ads. The phrase "spying on your competitor" creates curiosity among your viewers. Use negatives. People are attracted to view content that contains some negative words or phrases in the title. Using negative superlatives, like worst, performs better than using positive superlatives like best. Negative phrases and titles create an emotional feeling of shock to your viewers. For example, this video title, "Never Buy These Supermarket Foods." The viewer who buys their food on supermarkets can be attracted to this title and watch the video since they will be curious, and this will make them think what should they avoid buying in the supermarket. As you can see, this video generated 400,000 views. Another example is this video title, "Are 8K TV manufacturers lying?" We all know TV manufacturers that are legit and trusted offer high-definition TV, but with a negative word in the title, seems that they are lying will cause shock to audiences who are looking to buy or who already own an 8K TV from trusted TV brands. Another example is this video title, "Why Professionals Shouldn't Choose Apple." If you're looking to buy an Apple product, then you'll be curious to view this video and learn why you should not buy an Apple product. You can see here that it generated 50,000 video views. Add call to actions. Craft your title to include an action that people will do, like in this example, order your favorite pizza and enjoy our delightful dishes at home. It first tells you the fact that during this time, our homes are the safest place right now. Then the call to action, which is to order their pizza, is placed at the next sentence. It tells people where they can order and the end result of taking action. The next video title includes a call to action where people can call their number or visit their website to order their products. People who love their original fried chicken can be enticed to order by calling or ordering from their website. Include benefits. These titles can attract more viewers since most of the time, people search for ways to help them in their daily lives. You can also incorporate numbers in your benefits to create a better title than just saying the benefits. Telling people the end result of watching your video, as indicated in your title, can entice people to click and finish watching your video. Thus, you'll get more video views. Taking a look at this example video title, 11 street food recipes you can make at home. This video will attract viewers who love to cook and are looking to find video recipes that they can make at home. That is the benefit of this video. Instead of using homemade street food recipes, this video title is more enticing. Another example has the title, Stay Clean and Healthy with these 10 hacks. It tells the benefits of staying clean and healthy by using these 10 hacks that you can follow. These are the types of videos that people love to view since they can learn something out of it. Add keywords. Adding keywords to your video title will make your content more searchable on Facebook. The keywords will depend on your niche and your video's main topic. You can use a keyword tool to look for popular keywords that people search for. You can add those keywords in crafting your title. This video shows you how to organize your kitchen. Using the words creative ways adds uniqueness to your video content. It's more appealing to your audience. Your keyword tool can help you generate more keyword phrases that you can add to craft more enticing title. Marketers need to craft compelling titles for the video content they upload. People are more likely to view and click on your videos once they find your titles intriguing and catchy. So take time to craft your videos' titles so that you'll get more video views and engagement. Then people would share your videos as they loved your content. Now that you know about writing the best titles, you can now proceed to the next topic, writing good description. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about writing a good description. Let's get started. In the previous lesson, we've talked about optimizing your videos using great video titles. We also need to optimize our video's description so that people can read a summary of what your video is all about. This is the section where you need to place your video description. Carefully type in your video description here. When people browse to watch videos on Facebook, the description of your video will be visible above your actual video. How much people would see of your video's description will depend on what device people use to browse their Facebook account. For desktop, they will be able to view these lines on your video description, while using mobile devices will make them see these lines. Remember that Facebook will only show a few lines of your description to your viewers, so you need to place the most important part of your description in the first 2 to 3 lines of your description. Adding a video description will help people in quickly deciding whether they want to sit through the entire video. Your description should have a summary of what the video is about. Also, the video description is used in Facebook search. People may be able to discover your video through the keywords you use in the description. Include relevant keywords in your video description. People can search for keywords on Facebook. Although people who use search engines like Google can search for topics they are interested in, and your Facebook content that match the keywords they search will make your content be seen on the search results page. As a result, people will click on that link and you'll get more people to visit your content. If people search for the same keywords inside Facebook's search engine, they will see the results in this page. They can choose to find content from those keywords that they are looking for under posts or videos. There's a greater chance of your video content to be discovered if you include relevant keywords in your description. They are relevant for people who are searching for those keywords since they are interested to find content regarding that topic. Make it brief. You don't want to include a paragraph in your description. Summarize it so your description can be seen in the preview of search results or as people browse their feed. You may notice that Facebook only shows a few lines of the video description, so make the most out of the 2 to 3 lines of your video description. Add a call to action link. If you want people to take an action, like redirecting them to another website, you can add a URL where people can click on inside your description. It is best to include the link at the end of your summarized description. Let's take a look at this example. This video shows a tour of the houses they are selling. As you click on this to see more, you will see the call to action links here. If you're an interested buyer, you want to take action and set a schedule with them, and you will click on this link. Next, add emoji. If you need to add more lines in your description, make sure to make it easier to read. Bullets make it easier to summarize important key points in your description. You can substitute emojis as your bullets in your video description. Not only does it make it easier for someone to read your description as they decide to click the See More button, but adding emojis makes your text more enticing to read. Emojis add emotion to your description, and it's also interpreting an emotion in a visual form. As a result, it attracts more people to read on your description. Relevant keywords in your video description will help your videos get more reach as people search for the keywords they like to view on Facebook. People outside your network will be able to view your content, increasing your video views, and if they like the content, they can share it and follow you on your Facebook page, thus increasing your followers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.